Hey, dude. Long time. I've been well. You? How's everything going? Pretty good. Good, good. Do you feel
He didn't come to lead great armies, no. He did not bow to kings and superstitions. He did not care about position.
And you can play with
He did not care about his own love. He did not come to satisfy his own needs, no. He did not come show off his power. He came to suffer and bleed.
Yes, yes, I'll do it, I'll do it. No, you can't be greedy. You already said it. Oh, never mind. That's so funny.
Where does my help come from?
Stop. No thanks.
Met me right where I was, and you took me low, took me by the hand. Yeah. And where would I be It's only you. It's only you. Lord Almighty, you set me free. Not because I loved you first, but because you first loved me. Yeah, yeah. And now I have you, and I am whole. Cleansed by your Son, Savior of my soul, Savior of my soul. Through all these years, you've always been here. Through all my tears, you always felt so near. I know other love will ever do. And no other love will I choose. It's only you. It's only you. You know Jesus, is he the fire in your heart? Have you died to self and you're giving him the right to finish what he starts? Will you go to church every Sunday and you sing real loud with the choir? Your mom and dad helped to build that building and you've been going there since you were 5. You memorize a lot of Bible verses and you wear a gold cross on a chain. And now you heard every sermon a dozen ways, but somehow you're still the same. Do you know Jesus? And is he the fire in your heart? Have you died to self and you're giving him the right to finish what he starts? Do you know Jesus? Is he the passion in your eyes? All your righteous works and the sermons you heard could still end in your demise. Do you know Jesus? And is it consuming you like a fire? The new has come and the old is gone, and he's all that you desire. Do you know him? Yeah, I said, do you know him? And now they call you the man of the hour, they come to listen from far and near. And you know just how to pack them in when you tell them everything that they'll wanna hear. You went to a really nice college, on your office wall hangs a degree. And with talent to spare and knowledge in head, the people you get paid to lead. But do you know Jesus? And is he the fire in your heart? Have you died to self, now you're giving him the right to finish what he starts? Do you know Jesus? And is he the passion in your eyes? All the righteous works and the sermons you give can still end in your demise. Do you know Jesus? Is he consuming you like a fire? All the new has come and the old is gone, and he's all that you desire. Do you know him? Yeah, I said, do you know him? You know that there are very, very many who attend church and know true things. They've learned how to act in a service, when to stand up, sit down, and when to sing. With love I will sound the one, and don't rely on your knowledge and your show. Oh, not religion, performance, or talent, it's in him and him you'll find hope alone. Do you know Jesus? Or is he the fire in your heart? Have you died to self, now you're giving him the right to finish what he starts? Do you know Jesus? Or is it the passion in your eyes? All your righteous works and the sermons you've heard can still end in your demise. Do you know Jesus? And is it consuming you like a fire? Oh, the new has come and the old is gone, and he's all that you desire. Do you know Jesus? Is it the fire in your heart? Have you died to self and you've given him the right to finish what he starts? Do you know Jesus? Is it the passion in your eyes? All your righteous works and the sermons you've heard can still end in your demise. Do you know Jesus? Is it consuming you like a fire? All the new has come. a song of thanks to you, 'cause by your blood I've been made new. And I understand my need for the Lamb. You gave your life to set me free. I sing a song of praise to you, no matter what I'm going through. 'Cause you understand and you hold my hand. Oh, you've given me eyes to see. It won't be long, and I'll sing this song, because one day soon I'll be singing tunes around your holy throne. This is not my home, I let the truth be known. Show me the way to go as I walk alone. It's only when I think.
我讲 community 也是好忙也是发明的呢，也比较 MC 呢，主要是很多的，我主要是给19一发明好很大，对，今我去年我弄毛发，弄毛，茶，我是跟那个会搞什么？
Well, it has nothing to do with singing.
要你对你是忙，并不一样，要你是你写是上，你是把你是把这个忙你是好point的呢，所以怎么可能好爱人说好就好有你好有爱人的嘛，你要everyone else wants to be like 嘛，对吧？
No.
So that our hidden category in our community now, because they sure is the partial supply man. The partial supply is about in the even though you require really long jump over the target, you know, or jump over the shop. Jump over the jump over the shop, we got a 人哋把你邀請可以幫忙你嘅，咁樣都好 extra point 咁樣 ，OK， 所以呢，So now about the little Hmong idol for 2011 Nali